Join me as I take on the 7-minute plank challenge with Pamela Reif, and I won't be using any equipment. Can I hold it for the full 7 minutes? Welcome to the ultimate 7-minute plank challenge, where we're going to test our endurance and strength without needing any equipment whatsoever. This workout is perfect for everyone, regardless of your fitness level. I know we've all been there. We start a new workout routine and we're super motivated, but then life gets in the way, and we struggle to stay committed. It's tough to find the time, and it's even tougher to stay consistent. But what if I told you there's a simple solution that can help you build endurance and strength without needing to go to the gym or invest in any equipment? It's planking, and it's a game changer. Planking is one of the most effective exercises for building core strength, and it's also amazing for improving your posture and reducing back pain. The best part? You can do it anywhere, at any time. But I know that planking can get boring, and it's hard to stay motivated. That's why I've designed this 7-minute challenge, to help you stay focused and push yourself to new heights. When we plank, we engage multiple muscle groups at once, including our abs, obliques, and lower back. This helps improve our overall core strength, which is essential for everyday movements and activities. But it's not just about aesthetics. Strong core muscles can also reduce our risk of injury and improve our overall athletic performance. So, are you ready to take on the challenge and see how strong you can get in just 7 minutes? Let's get started. First, we're going to start with the traditional plank. This is the foundation of our challenge, and it's essential to focus on proper form and technique to get the most out of this exercise. Make sure your hands are shoulder-width apart and your feet are hip-width apart. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. As we move on to the next variation, we're going to add some rotation to our plank. This will target our obliques and challenge our core stability. Keep your body in a straight line and rotate your torso from side to side, touching your hands to the ground each time. Next up, we have the side plank. This is where things start to get a bit more challenging. Make sure to keep your body in a straight line and engage your core to support your body weight. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds on each side and then switch. Now we're getting to the final stretch. We've made it to the last variation, and it's time to push ourselves to the limit. This is where the magic happens, and we start to see the results of our hard work. Keep your form tight and your core engaged, and let's finish strong. We did it! We completed the 7-minute plank challenge, and I'm so proud of you for pushing through. Remember, consistency is key, and every small step counts. By incorporating plank exercises into your daily routine, you can build strength, endurance, and confidence. Thanks for taking on this challenge with me today. If you'd like to share your experience in the comments below, I'd love to hear about it. Don't forget to subscribe for more workout challenges and fitness tips, and check out my next video for more exercises to help you reach your goals.